Welcome back to another adventure. We are in Northern California. Today we are set out to go explore some lakes and rivers, maybe a couple waterfalls. This first waterfall we're gonna check out is called Totem Falls, and we are on a pretty well-maintained dirt gravel road. So come along and enjoy the ride. Any car can make it down this well-maintained Forest Service road. Hi, dear.
Yeah, baby.
It's a baby. See you later.
The baby's all alone.
It took us about 30 to 40 minutes from the main road to get to this bridge. And right beyond this bridge, you will find the trailhead.
What?
Yeah, get a hat on. It's above the back seat.
Yeah. Come on.
You guys ready for our first waterfall today?
Yes.
It's kind of hard to find at first, but you see the sign here, and the trailhead is literally right to the right of it. So let's go down and explore. All right, so right off the trailhead, you can see a couple switchbacks that lead down that way, and you can already see the falls. Some pretty steep drop-offs here, straight down to the creek. Wow. It's beautiful. The water is cold, but very refreshing. Behind me, there's a couple rope swings. Anyways, we have the whole place to ourselves. There's nobody here. It is the weekday though, and it is about 9:30 maybe in the morning. You need to come check it out.